everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. So I'm back again with some more coasters. I've got my ceramic tiles that I got from my neighborhood tile place, Floor and Decor. This is a very easy tutorial. I have other tutorials on how I make my coasters using different types of add-ons like stickers, fabric, just regular acrylic pours, things like that, when I'm working with the ceramic tiles or coasters. What I'm doing right now is just wiping them off because these can get a little dusty and you don't want your surface to be dusty and full of debris. So that's done. So what I'm going to do today is make some religious theme coasters using some stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby when they had them 40% off. So I have these little angels. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. So before I add these, I'm going to do an acrylic pour. Nothing fancy, just a puddle pour and then blow it out just to get some color in the back. I'm going to be using Deco Arts Extreme Sheen and Deco Arts Dazzling Metallics, Crystal Green and 24 karat gold. I think that will look really nice underneath these stickers. So I'm not doing this in any particular, pattern. I'm just adding the colors and I'm just gonna blow it out. I mix my paints with just a little bit of water until I get the consistency that I am happy with. So here we go. I think I'm gonna do one at a time. And then just like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let these dry and then we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours. I let them sit overnight and here they are, ready for the stickers, and then I'm gonna coat it with some Mod Podge just to protect the stickers, even though these stickers are kind of a plasticky type of stickers and the resin won't seep through the sticker. I just want to add extra, I don't know, security to make sure that they don't lift up when I do put the resin on, because some of these stickers aren't very sticky, so they don't really adhere too well to the coasters or anything. So this is just for added protection that they won't lift up. But for the most part, I usually don't use a coating for these type of stickers, because vinyl or these little plastic ones, because the resin isn't going to seep through. I only do it when I think that the adhesive on the stickers aren't very sticky, and I just want to make sure. But look at how pretty they are. Turned out really nice. And then the back edges are already done, so those are going to look really pretty. So let's see, what am I going to use? Okay, so I'm going to use probably know exactly where you want to place them, because once you place them, you cannot pull them up. Trust me, I know. If you put it on crooked, you won't be able to get it back up. I like to use these little fingertip things so that I can press down on my stickers without getting any fingerprints on them. And it helps me to make sure it's laying flat and that there's no air bubbles caught underneath. Okay. And I'll put that right there. and it will dry clear. Don't need a lot, just lightly go over the entire tile. Okay, so I'm basically done with this step. So all I got to do now is just let this sit for a little bit, probably about an hour. I'm gonna let it sit so it's fully dry, and then we'll come back and then we'll do the next step. Okay, so the Mod Podge dried really well, and it looks so pretty. So I'm already mixing the resin. I'm gonna add some holographic glitter to it. Just a little bit of gold, just to give it a little bit of sparkle, and I mean very little. Gonna let these sit for at least 24 hours, so I'll be able to handle them. But it is recommended that when you're using resin to make coasters or whatnot, to give them at least several days to fully cure. But tomorrow I should be able to handle these okay, and then we'll put the cork back on the back and then we'll be done. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, so it's been 24 hours, a little bit more, and look at how they turned out. I don't know if you can see the glitter because it's so fine, but it's there. It's cured enough for me to be able to handle it, but I can still feel that it needs at least several more days before it is fully cured. Look at how beautiful that is. The gold and that green is perfect. Okay, so the next step, and I want to be careful because like I said, the top of this is not fully cured. So any pressure would leave indents in my resin, so I'm gonna be very careful. I have these foam adhesive backings. I'll leave the link to this in my description for you. But I'm just gonna go ahead and carefully put these on. I'm gonna turn them over, but I'm not gonna press down on them because I don't want to mess up the surface on top. So I'm just gonna lightly press down on the back. And you see how important it is to do these edges like that, because this is what it would look like underneath. Much more of a finished end result. Okay, so we are done. Look at how pretty. I wish you could see that gold, the gold glitter that I put in. It is sparkling so pretty. Looks so good. So let me know what you think about how these turned out in the comments below. I love to read your feedback. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I will be making tons more coasters. I'm going to be making my Christmas coasters. I'm going to be making Halloween coasters and just beautiful coasters using stickers, fabric, acrylic pours. And then I have my resin coasters that I'm going to be, my silicone coasters that I'll be making more coasters with. So you don't want to miss that. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.